Hello buddies, how are you? So today I am going to tell you 3 best home remedies for cough or cold. In this horrible corona time, these home remedies will help you for boosting your immunity. So just so guys, let's know about them. And the first one is basil leaf, also known as tulsi in India. In this, you have to take 5-6 basil leaf with 4-5 black peppers, then boil in a glass of water and drink it. Then in a few minutes, you will see you are curing yourself faster than ever. And the second one is ginger, also known as adrak in India. In this, you have to keep a small piece of ginger in your mouth before going to bed at night and slowly takes the juice that comes out of it. This will help you like magic. And the last one is cinnamon, also known as dalchini in India. For this, you have to boil 4-5 1-inch pieces of cinnamon in 2 glass of water. When a glass of water left after boiling, drink it. You get lot of relief from this, that's for sure. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.